Second chances are a lot like repairing an old toolbox. When a toolbox breaks, you don't usually throw it away. You tighten the screws, sand down the rough edges, and replace what's worn out so it can be useful again. In the same way, when people make mistakes, they have the opportunity to fix what went wrong and become stronger from the repair. A cracked handle or rusty hinge doesn't mean the toolbox has no value. It simply needs attention and effort. Likewise, failures in life don't define a person forever. They can become the starting point for growth. Both repairing a toolbox and accepting a second chance requires patience, humility, and the willingness to do the work. In the end, the restored toolbox and the renewed person often carry more strength and character than they did before the damage occurred.